The goal of leadership is to let students be involved in our school family and be some decision makers of positive things that go on in our building. We have 2 5th grade classes, and there are 5 or 6 from each class. And then in February we switch and we will have a new team. New students will apply and teachers will pick from their applications. What we look for, students fill out an application and we tell them that's the first impression you're making, trying to teach them in the future that they'll be applying for jobs, and they have to get a reference from an adult that's not related to them and try to just form it just like a regular job.
Being a role model for younger kids, they need to learn how to do stuff, and if you're a role model, then they can kind of understand what it's like to be in leadership.
Being kind and respectful and helping, because like Eiley said, you want to be a role model, and when you do something good, kids repeat you.
Set up to clean up, to being our MCs, to doing all the pieces in the assembly. I just turn everything over to them. I just guide them. So it really is their assembly, not mine. Even though I'm in charge, I give them every job and just guide them. And they do awesome.
And some other things we do are we have 2 people sitting in the back at the front of the red carpet and tell the kids when they can go.
What I hear from most of them is they gain a sense of pride with helping. Kids like to help, they like to be positive, they like to make their school better, and they really enjoy that.
Just getting to do stuff that a normal student wouldn't really get to do. Students that aren't in leadership, they when we have assemblies, don't really have jobs. But if you're in leadership, you get to do help set up and talk and stuff.
It's really just hanging out with Miss Thorne and the other kids.
I would tell them that would be a great thing because for assemblies, the parents know that you're somebody that you can rely on, and they can trust you to do the stuff and the activities that leadership gets to do.
You can help a lot, and you can get in other activities. Example, if there's a camp field drive, we would help with that.
Well, at the end of our assemblies this year, Mrs. Sokolowski has brought Minute to Win It as something she really enjoys and thinks it's a fun way to end our assemblies. And so they sit for every class, and it's a long time of sitting, and it's fun to expel some energy at the end and do something fun.